Hi, very good morning, everyone, and welcome back to our channel Fortune Forex. Today it's 9th of July, and I'm shooting this video in London session, guys. And you can see the exact fall in the gold prices, which I was discussing yesterday. And you can go back to my yesterday video as well, in which I just mentioned that if gold prices breach a support, we may see a sharp fall in the prices of gold. And exactly the same thing happened when I was talking about that time, the gold was trading at 3337 around, and from there, let me show you a price range. From 37 almost it went down to 87, 3287, almost 50 points of movement we have captured yesterday in gold. And because of the sharp fall, there was a no news, but it just a technical fall, because yesterday I also mentioned that there was a bullish sign, there was a bullish signals, almost 9 candles back to back. So that somewhere, going to justify to the sellers as well, that sellers are keep pushing prices down heavily. And you can see a strong pullback in just 3 candles, which has covered almost 52 points yesterday. And it is not only the same thing, it is just continuing the same thing. Yeah, so if we talk about right now the analysis right now, okay, if we see, before we will continue for gold, this is 1 hour time frame. Let me just show you a DXY pattern. DXY interestingly showing a bullish momentum right now. You can see it is going in a bullish way. From here you can see the prices are going up. I am expecting the prices can go up to 97.37, which I yesterday mentioned as well in my video. If you're coming for the first time on our video, like, please like and subscribe the channel so that you will get all the necessary information and all live updates on a daily basis. So DXY is inversely correlation with the gold. If DXY shows strength, gold usually falls, and exactly the same thing we are facing today. DXY is showing some strength on a chart on a 1 hour time frame, you can see. And gold started going down yesterday only. I mentioned from here there was a strong pullback here as well. So I am expecting same sort of movement in DXY today again. So gold will again, this is the gold chart, and you can see while shooting this video it made a high of 98 and then coming back to 93. So this will be an area of interest where gold is taking some support. If prices fall down again today, then we may expect the prices can go down up to 3280 first. And if this level breach, if this support breach, then we can see expect a more further down, and sellers will continue to push pricing down. Why? Because after a good fall in the Asian session today, gold made a high of 3306 today, and then from there came down around 3285 again. Okay, so it's almost like 15 to 20 points of movement again gold has given in the just morning only, in Australian session, in Japanese session. So if you see right now price is consolidating after a fall, so this is a sign of bearishness, and sellers will continue to push prices back down. Pullback is further possible, but there is a continuation of a selling momentum, a bearish zone again. But there is a problem here, not a problem, but there is some bullishness. Some buyers are also entered into the market, and they have pushed up the prices around 10 to 15 dollars here. But this is nothing to worry for sellers. If you're a day trader, if you are a swing trader, then you keep selling if you want to. Okay, I'm not giving any recommendation of buy or sell directly right now here, but if you will see any prices go push up little bit, so sell on price will be the best strategy in this kind of scenarios. Why? Because technically if you see, let me just draw a pattern, just like inversely, as I mentioned, inverse correlation between DXY is following this kind of pattern, and gold is following this kind of pattern. So it's a lower lows, lower highs formation. You can see lower lows, lower high formations. So this sort of whenever technical pattern follow, it will always goes down like this. So if you see this pattern, right, if you see here as well, so this sort of analysis generally fresh traders or you sometimes experienced trader will also not able to focus, because there is a strong manipulation in the gold prices. After this consolidation, price pull back. After this consolidation, price pull back down. So this sort of analysis we provide on a daily basis. Okay, and if we talk about today, if we talk about today's support and resistance level, so this is a resistance level for today, that is the highest resistance level, but I am not keen about that. I am expecting this will be the strongest resistance. Above this only we will try to go for buy. If buyers are keep pushing prices upside, then only we can expect the prices can reach up to 3340, 3320, but it has to break 3310 first of all. So 3310 will be the first most important resistance for today. If gold prices sustain around this area, above this, then only we can expect for any kind of like buying, strong buying. And if we talk about selling, then sellers are strongly heavy on the charts. You can see prices are going down here. 3386, 3380, if level breach, we can expect the levels can go down more to 3360, and also below that we can expect the levels can go up to 3347 or 57. So these are the support and resistance level for today. Let me mention it here again for all of you. Support is at 3380, resistance is at 3310. Sorry, it's 3280, guys. Sometimes I forgot because gold pricing is very volatile and suddenly changing 33, 32. Range of the price is now very wide. And now if we talk about trend, it's clear trend is weak right now, trend is bearish. So take care. According to that, I will again tell you the same. I will see you tomorrow on the same time with more updates. But before going further, here we check US oil. If you see, US oil is interestingly showing strength. Buyers are keep pushing up the prices, and this is a strong support which I mentioned yesterday, and today it's making again a strong support after this formation. If you see, so 67.30, 67, this is the area of support today. If you see the prices are fall down up to this, you can expect a buying volume. Again, the buyers will push prices up from here. So this will be the area of interest for all the buyers. If you see any kind of movement here, then we can expect the levels can go up again. And you can see whenever oil prices increase, it increase the inflation risk, and whenever inflation increase, it's a sign of gold to rise. But right now this is a resistance level. I am not expecting crude oil to just jump directly from here. Crude oil is most volatile assets of all metal segment and energy segment, but right now it is going slow. So, and whenever there is a price consolidation on the biasness or the bearishness, it's a sign of continuation of the trend. It might be possible that if you will see in 1 or 2 day, or maybe in this week only, you will see prices can cross 73. I'm not lying. It's right now trading at 68, but it can be possible for a crude oil to cross 73 to 78 zone as well, if the demand will be there. And after OPEC meeting, everything can be possible. Now, if we talk about a BTC USD, oops, let me just delete all the drawings. BTC USD is consolidating in a simple range, selling from 1,99,300 and buying from 1,08,000 will be a simplest way to do trade in BTC USD. Nothing to worry about it. Now, if we talk about gold, gold is going down again, guys. I am expecting a quick fall in the prices of gold. Let's see how it goes. So till now, bye bye. See you guys. I will see you tomorrow on the same time with an interesting video. Till then, take care according to your risk appetite. Do safe trading and always follow the stop loss. And please do not like and subscribe the video. And if you have anything, just thumbs up. Just give a thumbs up to the video and mention your comment that where you will see gold is heading towards now next. Okay. Thank you so much.